welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig, did the edges. I really think I put the edges in here. If I didn't, I apologize. Let me know if you guys want an updated edges tutorial. I'm going to show you how I blend the lace and cut the baby hairs, everything. And today I decided to do a side part, so I hope you guys like this video. This video is in collaboration with Beautyforeverhair. They sent me over this 24-inch curly wig. I will have all the links down below. I have not had a curly wig in a minute. Well, a long curly wig in a minute, and I'm super excited about this. So yeah, make sure you check out the links. I will have it down below. And also, I'm going to have a separate video showing you how I braid my wigs. So stay tuned and subscribe to check out that video. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting this video off with my natural hair out. I did do my natural hair 3 days ago, and I decided to do a mini big chop just because my burgundy hair was getting on my nerves, and I just wanted to get rid of my burgundy hair because I want my hair to be all natural, like no color, nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my cornrows. If you guys want a dedicated braiding pattern video, comment down below. I did do one last year, so if you want to check out that old one, I will try to link it in the eye above on your right hand side.
Underneath the covers, yeah, you do me right. Tell me all your secrets and the things you like. Never wanna let me get out of your sight. Skin to skin, glistening, kinda like the stars tonight. The way they shine reminds me of the shade of blue that's in your eyes. How you see them better when we're in the light. You know I hate to see you leave, so why you going?
And now that I'm done braiding, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair growth oil in my scalp. If you guys want to purchase this hair growth oil, I will have it linked down below. And I'm just going to massage that in, and then I'm going to put on my wig cap. I like using this brown wig cap. If you like doing ball cap methods, you can also do that as well.
I don't want to be the girl who waits for you to come around, come around.
And this is the packaging that the wig came in. It came in this plastic. It came with one wig cap, a Merry Christmas pin, and an adjustable headband that you can sew into your wig. This is how the wig looks. I already bleached the knots and I plucked this wig, and I put some leave-in conditioner and my mommy's deep moisturizing butter to seal this hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the ear tabs.
Never wanna let me get out of your sight. Skin to skin, glistening. You still got your fingertips on my hips, whispering forever.
And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. I'm going to put that all over the front of the hairline just so this will melt properly. Because as you guys know, I never use glue. I always use hairspray or glueless. And I'm going to cut it into different sections because I'm going to be cutting the lace off before I lay the wig down.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Nobody's perfect, but I know that this
I'm zooming in this section because I want you guys to see I'm doing a zigzag cutting. Make sure you do this because then it's going to disguise the lace at the front. If it's straight across, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me if it's straight across. Like, people could notice it, and I don't like that because that'd be looking crazy. So just cut in a zigzag motion all around the hairline, and that is going to disguise the lace.
Maybe if I show you what it's like when I am not around, not around. Maybe if you felt the way I feel, then you'll remember. Then you'll remember. Maybe if you felt the way I feel, you might remember.
I am putting some of that foundation on the white areas of the lace, and that's just going to blend it in even more. I'm taking out the edges area just so I can lay this wig down. I'm just doing a little bit more foundation. then I'm gonna go in with my hairspray. My hairspray today is Erickaj. I like spraying it out on a surface or inside a little cup or something, and then I use my finger to press the product in. I also would go in and like go close to the lace and spray the product, but this has become one of my favorite things to lay my wigs with just because it gives a glue-like texture. Most hairspray will just dry and just be, you know, regular, but this one has like a sticky glue-like texture, so I really love that, and it dries fast. So I'm just going to spray down all around the hairline and just blow it. Now I'm just brushing all the edges back, and if you don't like having those little hairs at the front of your head, you can literally just brush it back and just spray it back, and that's going to make it a no baby hair look. But we all know I love me some baby hairs, and my camera actually was not even on, so I didn't even get to show you guys me swooping this hair all the way. But I literally just put mousse at the front, and no, it did not lift up. Like I told you, the hairspray is like a sticky glue-like consistency, so it doesn't lift up that much, and as soon as you tie it down, it's gonna be good. Keep in mind, this hairspray lasts for 24 hours, it says on the packaging, and I've already have this wig on for 2 days and I still have it on. Only the sides have lift up. And right here I'm just plucking out the thick areas out of the wig, and this is going to give you more of a natural hairline. And now I'm just going ahead and fixing it up a little bit more. And I like using the mousse because the mousse makes it soft. It gives it a soft texture. I'm going to finish it off by just spraying some of that hairspray all around the front. And then I'm going to tie it down with my head wrap. I will have my head wrap linked down below so you guys can check it out. I am doing just some quick drying so it doesn't stick to the head wrap, but I will have the head wrap down below so you guys can check it out and shop. I also have bonnets to match if you're interested. I do have a limited amount because I have limited quantity, so yeah. And then I just take it off, and this is how it looks. So perfect. Today I decided to do a side part, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna leave this to play out because all I'm gonna be adding is the same Afro G mousse to lay this hair down, and this is basically it. So I'm gonna play some music and you guys can watch the rest of this video. You guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can know that you like this video. Don't forget to visit Beautyforeverhair. Thank you for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see how I braid my wigs, don't forget to check it out. Subscribe, and I will have it posted in like 2 days. All the specs of this wig will be down below as well, so you guys can check it out. Thank you, and bye.